Miles should have sent you, or oh, Miles or I should have sent you the link to the Make-A-Wish fundraising page. All right. So this year we decided to start by teaching everyone the mashed potato. So we are going to learn how to do the math. Yes, Mary, I know you're going to be very excited about this. We're going to teach everyone how to do the mashed potato as part of your warm up. Okay. So we're just going to start with, you're going to go toes in, heels in, toes in, heels in. And then you're going to go arms up, arms down, arms up, arms down. Then you go a little faster. Arms up, arms down, arms up, arms down. Then we're going to try to lift a foot, lift a foot, lift a foot. Okay, and then you're going to do doubles, double, double, double. Miles, what are you? It's not how you mash potatoes. All right, and then you can like, oh my God, bumping around. Okay, and then you can go a little faster. And then good. Okay, now I got your mashed potatoes done. Now we're just going to go to hopping. Hold on to my feet. Hopping. Man, I think you wore this hat last year. So and then twisting with your hops. If you're not a hopper, you're just going to be doing your high steppers. All right. Then we're going to stop and we're going to go into our hip circles. Oh my gosh, hip circles. Losing my bird. There we go. All right. Stir in the gravy. Stir in the gravy. Another way. Whisk it up. We're going to go into our neck circle, so a little narrower stance. Hold on to your turkey feet. Neck circles. Switch direction. And good there. Then we're going to go into our inchworms. So you're going to hold yourself towards, up your hands up all the way as far as you can, keeping your position, walk back into your feet, and stand all the way up, opening up at the top. Do that 3 times. Hey, Miles.
What?
What do you call a turkey evil twin?
No, no.
A ganger. Doppelganger. Like doppelganger. Oh, hear that everybody on the inside. I just can't hear them. Okay. Then we're going to go down into our bear crawl position. We're going to be doing some crawling here. So we're going to do low crawl forward. So knees close to the ground. And you're going to high bear. Yeah. And you also just lift your hands and feet up in place. Phelps. Coming on up, opening. Oops. Your mashed potato. Like a Phelps.
Nothing.
Thanksgiving. Day to be grateful. All right. Transitioning our down dog to opposite toe touch. You're going to be coming forward to a plank, pushing back into plank, push back, reach towards that opposite toe, push that heel down, come forward. That's what you're reaching towards. Two more each side. Perfect. Next, going into glute bridge, the double. All right, double leg glute bridge, toes up. Then marching. All right, down, toe up. Oh, just glute bridges first. So up and down for 12. Pressing through your heels. And 2 more. You're going to stay up and march. 11, 12. Keep your hips up. Just move to your march. Bring one leg up at a time. 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9 and 10. All right. No, squat to single arm reach. I don't know which that one is. Why don't you do that one? Show them. I don't know what you're doing. Squat. Oh, one arm reach, other arm reach. Come on. Okay, so you can either grab your toes or you can put your hands on your shin, coming down to your squat, raise one arm, the other arm, then stand up. 3, 4. We're gonna do 8 of these. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Knee tuck to reverse lunge or holding a split squat. All right, knee tuck, reverse lunge, or Miles's modification. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna do 10. 10. Other leg. 1, 2. Hold that knee under your chest. If you're doing that one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Then we're going to go into our Kang squats. So your hands are going to go behind your turkey butts. And then you're going to hinge forward, squat down, chest comes up, and then comes straight up. Hinge, hips back, hips down, chest up, straight up. So hinge, squat, stand. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what? 5, 8, 9, 10. All right. We're going into lateral lunges or lateral split squats. All right, modification is the split squat. Otherwise, you're gonna be sticking with one leg. Lateral lunge, step in. 10 of these. Hey, Miles,
Lisa.
what did the turkey say when he met the president? Pardon me. It's hard to teach and tell jokes at the same time, just so you know. And that, I think that's 10. I don't know. I lose count when I'm telling jokes. All right, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8,
Hold it up, raise.
9. What?
What the turkey said. should have pulled out of the race a year and a half ago.
The turkey should have pulled out of the race a year and a half ago.
The turkey told the president.
Oh, got it. That was the presidential political. We're not talking about politics on Thanksgiving. That's the rule. Okay. Ramp. Jack squats. 30 seconds. Then you go down and you have 30 seconds of either push-up hold or push-up up downs, okay, which is down up hand. So either you do push-up hold, which is your top of your plank push-up, or you're going to be doing your up downs. All right. And a jack squat is simply coming down into that squat position, kind of holding down there, out. And if you want to do more of a pop up, you can do that too. So your choice is staying low, popping in and out, or coming up while you do those. All right. So you got 30 seconds of each. We're going to do 2 rounds of them. Do you have a clock? All right. So starting with jack squats and go. Your turkey is funny, and my turkey is. Ten more seconds. Trying to keep your torso kind of upright in these so you're not leaning over. 3, 2, 1. All right, down to push up hold or plank up downs. And go. Seconds. Your body nice and stiff. Tighten your butt. Lift elbows into your spine. Break. 10-second break, and we can do it again. Just one more time through. Okay, ready? And go. Jack squats again. These are too hard. You can just do body weight squats instead of doing the jumping. Three, two, one. Whew. Down for plank up downs or push up hold. And go. Hey, Miles. I can't get turkey to church because they use foul language. 10 seconds. 3, 1. Okay, I'm gonna hand it over to Coach Man.
All right, so our next series, it's all time based. First round, 50 seconds with 10 seconds off. Second round, 40 seconds, 20 seconds off. Third round, 20 seconds with 30 seconds with 15 seconds off. So we're gonna work on increasing your speed per round, knowing that you have less time to do each one of these activities. So first round, general pace, a little easy for yourself. So you're acclimating to the movement. And then in second rounds, I want you to really start pushing your pace since we're not using loads on anything. So number 1, you have your lateral lunge to crow hop as an option. That's more dynamic. If you don't want to do the crow hop, you can just go into your lateral split squat, alternating one side and then the other. Right, and you're working on depth, speed of movement coming up. That's exercise 1, be 50 seconds duration. So choose your pace wisely. Number 2, push up to walk out. This can be done from straight legs, also can be done from your knees or a combination of both of those. Make sure as you're walking out, you're not letting your back extend too much. So you got to keep your stomach really tight, keep your arms really stiff. Number 3, we have your 1.5 split squat into your switch. If you don't want to do the jump switch, you can just still do the 1.5 and then just step the switch. All right. The jump's obviously more dynamic. And then number 4, hollow body reaches. So that's full extension and then full compression. Reach out, pull in, reach out, pull in. That's the harder option. Easier option is going to be dead bug position. And then same arm, same leg, reach away, pull back in, alternating both of those. Okay. So those are the 4 movements. Again, first time through, 50 seconds. Starting off again with that lateral lunge to crow hop and or split squat. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Working on sinking into your hip quite a bit. Going back and forth. One leg is pretty straight, helping drive weight over to the other foot as you're going side to side. You're halfway through. If you want to reach down towards the floor to help drop, you can. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Only 10 seconds off. We have your push up to walk out next. Again, it can be from your straight leg or from your knees. And 3, 2, 1, go. Full push up. Walk it out. Walk it in and repeat. Work within what you can control. Wish to have everybody unmute. Make it more exciting. It's weird to keep quiet.
Ryan just stay muted and everybody else unmuted, it'll be okay.
That's probably a good idea. 8 seconds left. He heard you. 3, 2, 1. Good. Up on your feet. Going into that split squat switch. That's a 1.5. And 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, you can always step in and out of these. You don't have to jump. Keep working on challenging your range, though. 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 10 seconds off. Hollow body reaches or dead bug reaches. In 3, 2, 1, go. Keep your low back flat to the ground. Ideally, your head is off the ground, looking at your feet. Twenty seconds left. You know, like a long 50 seconds on this drill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. And now we're going to be going to 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. We're going to start in about 20 seconds, get a little extra break here. Be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lateral lunge to crow hop. Again, now it's 40 seconds, so you can pick up your tempo a little bit. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. 20 seconds off. 10 seconds to go. Push up to walkout in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Why do pilgrims' pants always fall down, Lisa?
Goodness. I don't know.
Because they wear their buckles on their hats. There's a laugh. Someone unmuted. Good job. People can unmute now. We don't need to be muted.
Freedom of speech? Oh, it's so over for you guys.
3, 2, 1. Break. 20 seconds off. We have your 1.5 split squats next. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Miles and Lisa, what are you thankful for?
Oh. Turkey's on my head.
Nice.
That way brainwashed a bunch of people to take some silly class on Thanksgiving.
We're easily brainwashed
5,
these days.
4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds off. See,
Hey, man. At
everybody's
least with
real.
all this brainwashing, it's squeaky clean up there.
You guys have your reach and pull in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Yeah.
We call these jackknives.
All right. What do sweet potatoes wear to bed?
Yummy.
Yeah, yummies!
Yeah.
Yummies! 15 seconds.
Just popped into my head.
I'm still thinking about why Ken and Barbie were sold separately. It was like 9
Break.
months ago.
Break. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, figure it out.
All right, so 2 down, 1 to go, 30 on, only 15 seconds off. Really push your pace. Maintain your position. So don't sacrifice your position. Gonna go in 10 seconds. Again, back to that lateral lunge crow hop. Trying to get into that stepping side hip to drive up in 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
So I feel like I was lied to. I thought it was 30-30.
Nope.
Well, I could.
That's why it's important to pay.
By the way you said
That's why
it's
it's important. That's why you have to pay attention when I give you instructions. And don't
I'm
stop.
sorry,
And don't,
man. My dad.
and don't stop. And
Okay,
don't stop early.
My dad's got his supersonic hearing boosted right now, so he's like, "Oh, please turn it down."
3,
But I
2,
can't hear nothing.
1. Break.
I can't hear none of your popsicle stick
Relax
jokes.
yourself.
Easy.
Relax yourself. Deep breath in through the
Push.
nose.
3,
Because you
2,
didn't ask. I'm thankful for you.
1. Push up.
Just so you
Walk
know.
out. Save the debate for the dinner table.
What about which entree is best?
You can have a food fight. Let's go. Full push-ups. Fast hands. 3, 2, 1. Break. 1.5 split squat to switch. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Three, 2, 1. Break. Hollow body or dead bug reaches. In 3, 2, 1, go. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, circuit 1, all done. Circuit 2, all time base. Everything is 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. 3 sets here. Exercise number 1, you have your continuous switching mountain climbers. That's option 1, more difficult. Again, 40 seconds is a long time. Number 2 option would be switching but pausing on each one to control your tempo. Number 3, you can just drive in, one leg, other leg, hop in. And number 4, you can just hold your position if you feel like you've expended all your energy and you just need to hold the rest of the time for that 40-second duration. Number 2, we got your Kangs. This is what you already worked on in your warm-up. So it's that hinge, squat, stand. Option 1 is the jump as you come out of it. Option 2 would just be driving straight up out of it. All right. Again, you want to really work on trying to get your torso upright before you come up, but you hinge on the way down. Number 3, push up to lateral bear push in. So you drop down, push back. You want to be a bit more extended, so you're going to have your feet a little further away than your normal bear crawl position. You can always drop to your knees to do the push up, but then you're trying to push your knees right and left as you push back in. So your hips rotate as you push backwards. And so you'll see the hips slide side to side there as you go through that. Again, 40 seconds, long time. So take your time in your recoveries. And then the last drill, you just drop straight down because that's what you're going to want to do anyways. And you have your Superman snow angels. That's option 1, arms and legs moving. Option 2, just holding position. So just static. 40 seconds. This is where you guys are working on breathing deeply. And it's going to be challenging breathing because you're getting that posterior response. So you're The ground is blocking your anterior front of the body diaphragmatical response. So we're working on expanding to the backside. Super, super beneficial. All right, so 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Mountain climbers to start. Remember your different options for that in 3, 2, 1, go. Again, pace yourself. Gonna feel like a long time. I'll give you 10-second countdown. That's 10 off. That's 20. Still working on solid hip range. That's 30. Keep stiffening those arms, pushing away from the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Kang squats are next. You can jump out of it on these if you want, or just come up quick. Hands ideally are up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Work on coming up quick, regardless if you're jumping or not. Seconds left. Four, 3, 2, 1, break. Bear crawl, push up to push back, doing that lateral drive side to side. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, rotating your hips to each side per push-up. If you want the push-up to be a bit more challenging, straighten your legs out more. Ten seconds left. And break on your stomach, going into your snow angel Supermans or your Superman ISO hold. Be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ideally, if you're doing the sweeps, thumbs turn up towards the ceiling, getting some shoulder external rotation, doing your best to keep your arms and legs pretty stiff. And again, work that deep breathing. You have 10 seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. 20 seconds off, and we'll start back at the top. Be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going into your mountain climbers. Go. Keep those hands right below your shoulders. 20 seconds to go. 15, keep it up. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Up to your feet for your Kang squat to jumps. Be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten more seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, break.
And so
Push.
just saying, if you do
Push.
the Kang squats with your hands on your small of your back, you feel like a turkey, and you definitely go higher on your jump.
Wow. You should put that on your TikTok channel. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, push up into your push back. Is that why turkeys can't fly?
Turkeys can fly.
Yeah. Ten more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, break. People can stay unmuted if you want. I don't have any issues with it. Superman and Snow Angels are next. Go straight at your dog. So. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, thumbs up, arms stiff, legs stiff. As the hands go up, the legs go out. As the hands come down, the legs come in. Ten more seconds. Uh-oh. The natives are restless. I guess I gotta get some Haitian neighbors. Take care of this dog. It made lots of people laugh, I guarantee it.
Thought we weren't talking politics.
That's not politics, that's just gobbledygook. All right, we got one more, right? Or is that it? Oh yeah, one more. Sorry, I got excited. All right, here we go. Last set, best set. So pushing tempos. I gave you extra recovery. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fifteen seconds left. Remember, you're gonna eat like a pound of butter today. That's 980 calories. And break. Kangs after kangaroos. Or you can do your flying or want to be flying turkey. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You can't fly very far. So. And remember, you're coming up quick. Just the intent of that will increase that neural demand, which then says to your muscles, well, this kind of sucks. I better get stronger. But if you don't do that, they'll be like, all right, more mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are soft. 3, 2, 1, break. Push up to push back. Be ready in 3, 2, 1, and go. Try and keep your elbows in as best you can, closer to the ribs. You don't want those wings to burn. Looking at 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, break on your stomach, finishing out this circuit with those snow angels or swimmers or supermans, however you want to do it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
You say nothing. All right. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Normally,
Normally who?
I don't eat this much.
Oh my God, that's real. That was so bad.
10 seconds. May it go by faster. Hey, what did the ocean say when it saw the Mayflower crossing? 3, 2, 1. What did the ocean say when it saw the Mayflower crossing, Miles?
What?
Nothing. It just waved.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Ah. All right. Birding. What?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oopsies. That's what the people on the shore said. Okay. You're doing your burning biscuits matrix. You have an isometric bridge hold, which means you will be holding, Miles will be demonstrating, Vanna, holding your isometric bridge for 30 seconds. Straight from there, you're going to go into your glute bridge 1.5 reps. So down, halfway up, down, no, up, down, halfway down, up, all the way down, all the way up, halfway down. There you go. So just do a 1.5. You'll figure it out when you get there. 30 seconds. And then you do your single leg isometric hold in the glute bridge for 30 seconds each leg. And then you do your 1.5 reps. Oh, I'll do it on one side. Got it. Okay. So you do your single leg iso hold on one leg, and then you go into your 1.5 reps on that same leg, and then you do your frog pumps. Okay. So then you do your 1.5, and then you do your frog pumps. All right. So squeeze your feet together, pushing your hips up and down, keeping those knees as open as you can. And then you go through it again. And you do the other leg. How many times do we do this? Both legs at the same time? Oh, okay. How many times do we do it? 4 times through? Oh, wow. Okay. So 4 times through this. Do you have the clock? Okay. Everybody back. Ready, set, go. Iso bridge hold. Ten seconds. Oh, 10 seconds go by. Okay. I think you made 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 1.5 reps, glute bridge. 3, 2, 1. Down halfway up, down all the way up. I don't think it matters, Miles, how you say it.
Start on the ground, so you have to go up first.
No, you started up in the air because you were holding your bridge.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds to go.
3,
3, 2, 1. Let's switch to your right leg. Single leg iso hold.
level.
Keeping your hips level, making sure you're not kind of dipping down to that side that your foot is down on. Halfway. Should be starting to feel that glute now on the right side. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to go into your 1.5s on the same leg. Let's stick with that right leg. I go into your 1.5s.
Seconds.
15 seconds halfway there. Oh my goodness. Okay. And switch the other leg right side. 3, 2, 1. So left leg, iso hold, 30 seconds. Put your feet together, open your knees, take your froggers. You can put your arms up, do it just you can, you can keep it down, by your side. Stomach tight. Ribs flying, so keep your ribs down. Try not to buzz in your low back, squeeze your butt. The butt lift, not the back lift. 5 seconds to go. And back to the iso hold. I don't think we do this 4 times. Iso hold. I'm going to do this 3 times, guys, so don't worry. So double leg glute bridge, iso hold. Starting over again.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, double leg 1.5s.
happy down each time.
Make sure you're tapping your butt to the floor every time you get to the bottom of that lift.
Seconds. Next.
10 seconds and you have your, we'll start with your left leg this time. Left leg, single leg, iso hold. 3, 2, 1. Left leg, single leg, iso hold. Should be uncomfortable at this point. Halfway. Right.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.5. Single leg. Ten seconds left.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2. Switch to right leg, hold. Miles. His favorite sport. Math is not a sport. What is math? Squash, Miles. Squash is its favorite sport. Oh, I lost somebody. 2, 1, 1.5. Not good when people start leaving when I'm telling my jokes at the end. What's something usually insulting, but not on Thanksgiving? Five, 4, 2, Frogger pumps. A family member giving you the bird.
Good call. Darn.
4, 3, 2. I'm down to 20 seconds on the last round. 20 seconds. Double the bridge.
Five.
4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5. 20 seconds. Double leg. All right. What kind of turkey requires technique?
And
10,
five.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg, single iso hold. Wild turkey. Wild turkey. Get it? Well, actually, do I need to explain it to you? No? Okay. All right, this one is an adult joke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.5. This leg. All right, adult jokes. Children, cover your ears. What do you get when you cross a turkey with a rooster? Three, 2, 1. Other side. Iso hold. Gobbler. Get it? 10 seconds. Gobbler.
3,
3,
2.
2, 1. 1.5. Oh, that's it. I'm done now. I'm throwing the towel.
Lisa, your audio is terrible from the ground. I didn't hear your joke.
Oh, tell when I stand up. Not good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Frog pumps. All right, I'll tell it when you guys do frog pumps. I'll be done. Okay. I will stand up and I will put my hat on and I will retell my adult 10 seconds, my adult joke.
Go.
3, 2, 1. All right, the adult joke is, what do you get when you cross a turkey with a rooster? A cock gobbler.
Oh my god. A cock gobbler. Oh, I get it.
Oh, terrible. Terrible.
Yeah.
Just
Hey, Miles and
terrible.
Lisa, I'm very thankful for you. Have a
Thank
great
you,
Thanksgiving.
Pistol. Thank you. We're thankful for all of you guys too. Thanks for doing this with us today. It was super fun.
Are we
Thanks,
done?
Miles,
that you
for warming
decided.
it up for tonight with those last
Mute
exercises.
everyone. We can't hear you right now. Oh, no, Miles, wait just a minute.
I think
Miles
we're
is gonna
done.
hear you guys. Here.
Oh,
Okay, there we go. I can hear you.
are we done?
We are done. You are all done. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
thankful
you.
you
Thank you. You
decided
guys
to
have
do
a great time. Thanks
Happy
for
See you
everything
guys.
Miles and
throughout the
Lisa.
year.
You're welcome. Make sure
Good
you
work.
give me credit
Bye.
if you tell any of my jokes. You ought to give me credit.
Yeah,
Okay.
give Lisa
Give me
credit.
credit if you tell my
We
jokes.
will.
Okay.
We will. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Take care.